Did you know that the key to a healthy gut starts with what you eat? Your intestines play a vital role in digestion, absorption, and overall well-being. Here are 5 essential foods that can protect and nourish your intestines, improving your gut health naturally. First up, we have fiber-rich foods. Apples, oats, and legumes are excellent sources of dietary fiber, which promotes regular bowel movements and helps prevent constipation. Make sure to include these foods in your daily diet to keep your intestines happy and healthy. Next on the list are fermented foods, such as yogurt, sauerkraut, and kimchi. Packed with beneficial bacteria called probiotics, these foods help maintain a healthy balance of gut microbiota. Probiotics can strengthen the lining of your intestines and enhance their ability to absorb nutrients. Moving on to leafy greens. Foods like spinach, kale, and broccoli are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients are essential for repairing and protecting the delicate cells of your intestines. Incorporating leafy greens into your meals can boost your gut health and support optimal digestion. Now let's talk about whole grains. Quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread are excellent sources of complex carbohydrates and dietary fiber. These foods not only promote regular bowel movements but also nourish the intestinal lining, reducing the risk of inflammation and damage. Last but not least, don't forget about omega-3 fatty acids. Found in fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel, these healthy fats have anti-inflammatory properties that can protect your intestines from damage. Including omega-3 rich foods in your diet can also help reduce the risk of digestive disorders. Remember, a healthy gut is key to overall well-being. By incorporating these 5 essential foods into your daily diet, you can protect and nourish your intestines, promoting optimal gut health naturally. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and advice. Stay healthy, and see you in the next video.